that I like. Hey, what's up, loves? Welcome back to my channel. Destiny Taylor here, and if you're new, hello. Don't forget to join the XO gang before you dip out. Hit that subscribe button. I think it's gonna be over here. Hit that just subscribe button down below and ring that bell. It's also over there so you can turn on your notifications and you can never miss a beat on my channel, love. A beat on my channel, love. I'm feeling really sassy today, as you can tell, and you know what? I think it's coming from this unit. Actually, I know it's coming from this unit. I am so in love with this hair. Right now, this is my dream hair, like what I've been going for. You guys know, well, if you've been watching me for a while, I'm all about the big hair, as long as possible, as like poofy as possible. But lately, I've been into something that is just a bit more laid back, a bit more chill, and also shorter in length. And I've been trying to find the perfect wig to get the look that I've been going for. I've tried synthetic wigs, I've tried human hair wigs, and I've tried different curl patterns, and this is the only one that has spoke to my soul. This wig right now is speaking to my soul, y'all. It's speaking. But yeah, so this wig is from WIGENCOUNTERS. So I was really excited when they reached out to me to try another unit, and I'm so happy that they did. So yes, it's gorgeous, it's flowing, it's everything I need. So I'm going to insert the original photo that's on the site and some of the photos that I saw of this unit that was just like, you know what, I have to try it. I'm really in love with this loose curl texture that it has going on. This wig was constructed with Indian Remy hair. It's a 1B off black color and it's 18 inches. It's 130 density in the front, 150 in the back, and it's a glueless lace front cap. I have baby hair around the perimeter. So to make this video shorter, I did not record the installation process. If you would like to know how I install my units and like wig hacks that I use to tint my lace and stuff, you can click the bio and you can check out 2 of my newest wig videos that shows my installation and shows how I do different things with installing. And I always say I'm like a bootleg wig installer, meaning like I do what I gotta do to make it look good and get up out the door. The lace color is medium brown, but I did do my little quick trick to tint the lace a bit more, and the cap size is average, and it's actually a bit too like wide up here at the top. I have to like cut 2 of the side panels a little shorter because they go over my ears, which I've never experienced with the wig. But lately, even with my synthetic wigs, they've been a bit too large around, you know, the front of my head. And you know, maybe it's because the average cap size is actually larger than what it used to be or what they thought it was, and I probably actually have like a small or something. I'm really digging this curl pattern, this loose wand curl pattern. So WIGENCOUNTERS is actually a wig company that constructs wigs and styles them specifically for beginners. So you'll have your baby hairs, the lace will generally already be tinted. It's a style that's easy to work with. It's a unit that's really easy to install and to customize. I'm really loving this curl pattern, this loose beach wave careless curl. Now, if you're a beginner or if you're new to curly wigs that are looser, just know that this is not how the hair will look after I wash it. I definitely will have to do some tweaking to achieve this style again, and definitely with this one, because you can tell I've already pulled some of the curls out and it's pretty much straight. This may be super straight right now because I added a little hairspray onto this front section, but in general the hair will fall pretty flat and the curls will definitely not be as defined. And I will come on with another video showing you how I will wash this unit and how I will achieve this style again. It's not going to be difficult because the thing is with these hairstyles, although the curl pattern isn't going to come back exactly like this when I wash it, it's built to hold curls. So if I want to quickly wand curl it or take a huge barrel and, like, you know, do some larger sections and pull them out, that curl is going to last with minimum spray. Also, textures like this that already come curled, again, they hold curl better than any other unit. I can just throw rollers in once or twice a week and I'll be good to giz out. When I pulled this wig out of the package, I wish I would have recorded for you guys, but I was just so excited. I need to get better at not like jumping the gun with my reviews. The curls were very condensed. They were very tight, and all I did was I went through and I combed these curls out a little bit, I brushed them out a little bit, I separated them, I ran my fingers through them to get this volume. I only put hairspray in the front right here so the hair can sit up the way that I like it, and if I had more time I actually would put hairspray around this entire top part so I can get the volume that I like. I don't like defined parts. This wig actually did come with a defined part already ready for me right here, and if I wanted to I could leave it like that or I could pluck it, but I'm really into minimal hairstyles. I really like my wigs these days to look very undone, like I just washed my hair, hopped up out the bed, and I'm looking flawless just as I is. So yeah, that's why lately I've been like rocking the 80-esque hair. I actually can't wait to wash this hair because when these curls were put into this hair or whatever, when they were defined, they're all pretty much going the same way, and I hate when my curls go the same way because that's like the way your hair gets flat. If you have two curls that are going this way, eventually they're going to come together, but if you have the curls that are next to each other and they're going opposite directions, they can't form together. Okay, so yes, this is the unit. I'm going to do a spin. Here's the side. The back. And the right side. Gorgeous. And it just looks so natural. I love it, and I love that it looks good just doing whatever it wants to do. It doesn't look crazy daisy. It's very fun, flirty, but at the same time it's sexy. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to check out the DB for the link to this specific wig from Wig Encounters, and also how I install my wigs and 2 hacks that I use that make my installation super easy and beginner friendly. But as always, peace and love, and I'll check you boos later. Huh?